Okay hi guys, it's KZKR official here, again with another overdue video. Before this episode begins, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Also, don't forget to check out our social media down in the description. Without further ado, let's see what we have here today. A hand-wound vintage style pocket watch. First thing pops into view is of course the nicely coated bronze-like finishing. Spreading wing to hollow out an area for time reading without opening. Now flip to the back side. There's a mix of Kanagawa serving pattern and complemented by a few roses. But not to forget a case-back exhibition to display your free swinging escapement and gears biting to each other when rounding. Now let's take a look what we've got here inside this beauty. You can see a shimmering pelage pattern under the light. Isn't that mesmerizing? On the front, we have Roman indices on a wooden ring. Center was also hollowed out for further admiring of internal working mechanism that you won't see in many more watches. Acrylic bubble glass adds more pizzazz to the vintage taste. Last but not least, a supplementary chain for you to latch on. And there you have it, a complete deal. Okay, I think that's for today's video. See you in the next time.